Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dual extruder 3D printers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Aliexpress Multicolor Printing 3D Printer. This unique machine features a dual extruder with a single nozzle capable of handling 6 different printing modes, including gradient, mixed color, and segmented printing. The 300 by 300 by 400 millimeter build volume provides plenty of space for creative projects, while the upgraded extrusion system, paired with a 7,000 RPM cooling fan, ensures quick and precise model formation. The design is modular, allowing for rapid assembly and startup. It supports an impressive range of materials such as PLA, ABS, PETG, TPU, and even wood and PVA. While this printer excels at producing colorful, intricate designs, its lightweight build and affordability make it particularly appealing to hobbyists looking to experiment with multicolor projects on a budget. However, the Aliexpress printer has some drawbacks, including a relatively low customer rating of 2.7 stars. Users have reported occasional issues with assembly instructions and firmware compatibility. If you're willing to troubleshoot and want a budget-friendly option for multicolor projects, this printer could be a great fit. Coming in at number 4 is the LNL TLD3V2 Dual BMG Extruder 3D Printer. This machine boasts an independent dual extruder design, which allows for dual material printing, duplication, and mirror modes. With a 300 degrees Celsius nozzle temperature and a spring steel PEI-coated magnetic build plate, it's perfect for handling a wide range of materials while ensuring optimal adhesion and easy model removal. This printer is built with user convenience in mind, featuring a 32-bit silent motherboard with Wi-Fi connectivity for remote control. The revamped cable management system and edge-to-edge insulated heated bed improve efficiency and minimize risks during operation. Additionally, the TLD3V2 includes print recovery capabilities, which save your progress in case of power outages or material shortages. While the TLD3V2 offers solid performance and advanced features, its 3.5-star rating reflects some concerns regarding its software interface and occasional calibration issues. It's an excellent choice for users seeking a versatile dual extruder system with high-temperature capabilities, especially if you value remote control functionality. At number 3, we have the Snapmaker J1S 3D Printer. This IDEX 3D printer features independent dual extruders, enabling dual material printing, copy mode, and mirror mode for increased productivity. Its die-cast aluminum alloy frame ensures exceptional stability and precision, making it a reliable option for intricate designs. The J1S integrates advanced technology, including vibration compensation for smooth performance, sharp prints, and a 300 degrees Celsius nozzle for handling a wide range of materials. The intelligent calibration system simplifies setup, while the double-sided PEI glass plate ensures excellent first-layer adhesion. With its robust build quality and high-speed capabilities, this printer is ideal for professionals and enthusiasts seeking premium performance. Although highly capable, the J1S is priced significantly higher than other options on this list. Additionally, its 4.1-star rating indicates occasional issues with software updates and cooling systems. If you're looking for a high-end dual extruder printer that emphasizes precision and versatility, the Snapmaker J1S is worth considering. Taking the number 2 spot is the FlashForge Adventurer 5M Pro 3D Printer. This machine combines ease of use with high-speed performance, boasting a travel speed of 600 millimeters per second and a detachable 280 degrees Celsius that heats up in just 35 seconds. Its Core XY all-metal structure ensures stable and precise printing, even during rapid movements. The Adventurer 5M Pro excels in user-friendly operation, featuring an automatic bed leveling system and a dual-sided PEI platform for easy model removal. Its integrated mobile app enables remote monitoring, real-time adjustments, and smart management features like filament detection and resume printing. With compatibility for various materials including PLA, ABS, PETG, and TPU, this printer is versatile enough for a wide range of projects. With a 3.9-star rating, the Adventurer 5M Pro has received praise for its reliability and speed, though some users have noted occasional issues with app connectivity. It's an excellent choice for beginners and advanced users who value convenience and high-speed printing. Finally, at number 1, we have the Creality Official K2 Plus Combo 3D Printer. This powerhouse machine is designed for professionals and enthusiasts seeking the ultimate 3D printing experience. With its massive 13.78 by 13.78 by 13.78 inch build volume, it's perfect for larger projects or batch printing. The CFS system supports up to 16 color printing, enabling stunning multicolor designs without the need for post-processing. The K2 Plus combo is equipped with industry-grade FOC step servo motors, allowing for 600 millimeters per second high-speed printing and an acceleration of 30,000 millimeters per second squared. Its dual AI cameras monitor spaghetti failure and optimize flow rates, ensuring consistent quality. The hardened steel nozzle, active chamber heater, and clog-free direct drive extruder make it capable of handling advanced materials like ASA and PPA with precision. With a 4.0-star rating, users appreciate its automation and print quality. However, its higher price and weight may make it less accessible to casual hobbyists. If you're looking for a premium dual extruder printer with cutting-edge features, the Creality K2 Plus combo is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.